Apple Vision Pro? Hang on tight as Marques Brownlee's deep dive reveals the game-changing highs and the eyebrow-raising lows. By the end, you decide, revolutionary masterpiece or just another pricey gadget? Let's dive into the tech abyss together. Number 1. Standalone powerhouse M2 at the helm. MKBHD throws us right into the thick of things, highlighting the Vision Pro's impressive independence. No more dethers or clunky wires here. This headset packs a mean punch with its very own M2 chip, Wi-Fi connection, and dazzling micro OLED display for each eye. As Marques Brownlee himself puts it early in his review, it is basically a mini computer strapped to your face, and that's pretty darn cool. Talk about portability and processing power on the go. MKBHD's enthusiasm sets the stage for exploring the Vision Pro's capabilities and limitations. Number 2. Hand tracking takes center stage. Gestures in the virtual world. Marques Brownlee throws us a curveball early on, ditching traditional controllers for a more immersive approach, eye and hand tracking. Alongside the impressive eye tracking capabilities, hand tracking offers a glimpse into a future of natural, gesture-driven interaction. Imagine manipulating objects, navigating environments, and even creating art using your hands in the virtual world. This opens up exciting possibilities for gaming, design, and even physical therapy. Number 3. Eye tracking magic. Gaze control at its finest. Marques Brownlee delves deeper into the mesmerizing capabilities of eye tracking, calling it mind-blowing. Users effortlessly navigate interfaces, select items, and even move virtual objects with just a glance. Imagine pointing, clicking, and dragging, all controlled by where you look. MKBHD said, "It is like the headset reads your mind, perfectly captures the intuitiveness and futuristic feel. This precise eye control opens doors beyond gaming, into realms of design, education, and even redefining how we interact with the digital world." Number 4. Seeing the real world through the Vision Pro. Seamless transitions with pass-through. MKBHD emphasizes the importance of the Vision Pro's excellent pass-through mode. This feature allows users to see their surroundings without removing the headset, ensuring safety and seamless transitions between the virtual and real worlds. Need to answer the door? No problem, just switch to pass-through. Marques Brownlee demonstrates, highlighting its convenience for multitasking and staying grounded in the physical world. Imagine being able to grab a snack, answer a call, or interact with your pet without even fully leaving the VR experience. This innovative feature adds a layer of practicality and accessibility that enhances the overall usability of the Vision Pro. Number 5. Comfort first, but weight matters. Finding the VR sweet spot. Comfort takes center stage with the Vision Pro's plush padding and secure fit, making it feel snug even during intense virtual adventures. MKBHD praises the design, but reality hits when you consider the headset's hefty weight. Tipping the scales at over 2 pounds, extended sessions can leave your neck feeling the strain. Marques Brownlee likens it to finding the perfect headphones. Comfort is crucial, but portability shouldn't suffer. He envisions further iterations exploring lighter yet durable materials, or even counterbalance systems for even weight distribution. So striking the ideal balance between comfort and weight remains a challenge, and Apple, along with the entire VR industry, faces the ongoing quest to create truly immersive experiences that are fatigue-free. Insight 6. Battery Blues. A short sprint in the VR marathon. MKBHD dives headfirst into the often dreaded aspect of any portable device, battery life. And here, the Vision Pro falters a bit, offering a runtime of only 2 hours. Not ideal for long gaming sessions or movie marathons, Marques Brownlee warns, highlighting a potential deal-breaker for users seeking immersive experiences that last. Imagine the frustration of your visual adventure being cut short just as you are reaching the climax. He delves deeper, acknowledging the limitations of current battery technology within the constraints of the headset's size and weight. However, MKBHD doesn't shy away from expressing his hope for future advancements. He envisions more efficient processors, improved battery chemistry, or even innovative charging solutions like swappable batteries or wireless charging docks. Ultimately, Marques Brownlee emphasizes the need for longer battery life as a crucial factor in making VR experiences truly seamless and enjoyable for extended periods. Number 7. FaceTime in VR. a gimmick with glimmers of potential. Marques Brownlee cast a curious eye on the Vision Pro's FaceTime integration, a feature brimming with novelty. Imagine connecting with loved ones in a shared virtual space, their avatars mirroring their real-time expressions and movements. It's a futuristic vision of social interaction, and MKBHD acknowledges the initial cool factor of this functionality. However, he doesn't shy away from acknowledging limitations compared to traditional FaceTime calls. Audio quality and visual fidelity fall short, making the experience feel more like a cool gimmick than a true replacement for everyday video calls. Imagine muffled voices and slightly pixelated avatars, detracting from the natural flow of conversation. Despite these shortcomings, Marques Brownlee sees potential in the future of VR social interaction. He envisions improvements in technology bridging the gap between the virtual and real, leading to more immersive and seamless connections. Imagine high-fiving your friend's avatar in VR, feeling the virtual handshake, or even sharing a virtual meal together, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. While FaceTime in VR might not be perfect yet, Marques Brownlee recognizes it as a stepping stone towards a future where virtual connections feel just as real as the ones we experience in person. Number 8. A glimpse into the future, but at a premium price. The Vision Pro's balancing act. MKBHD throws down the gauntlet in his closing remarks, acknowledging the undeniable innovation packed into the Vision Pro. The eye tracking, pass-through mode, and standalone design are groundbreaking features that push the boundaries of VR technology. It's a glimpse into the future, offering a level of immersion and intuitiveness unlike anything seen before. However, the hefty price tag of $3,500 looms large. Marques Brownlee doesn't shy away from addressing this elephant in the room, acknowledging that the Vision Pro remains an early adopter's device, primarily for tech enthusiasts and professionals with deep pockets. He questions whether the current feature set justifies the price for the average user, especially considering limitations like battery life and hand tracking. Ultimately, Marques Brownlee leaves the verdict open-ended. The Vision Pro is a marvel of engineering, showcasing the potential of VR, but its high price tag makes it a niche product for now. He encourages viewers to weigh the pros and cons considering their own needs and budget before deciding if the Vision Pro is a worthy investment in the future of VR technology. Number 9. Fitness in the Metaverse. The Vision Pro as a workout companion. MKBHD throws a curveball with an intriguing possibility: the Vision Pro as a fitness companion. Imagine boxing with virtual opponents, dancing in exotic locales, or even scaling virtual mountains, all while getting a real-world workout. The hand tracking and precise movements could translate into immersive fitness experiences, blurring the lines between gaming and exercise. However, Marques Brownlee acknowledges the limitations. The current game library lacks dedicated fitness titles, and the headset's weight might not be ideal for extended physical activity. Still, he sees potential, especially with future development and integration with fitness apps and platforms. Imagine personalized workout routines gamified in VR, keeping you motivated and engaged while achieving your fitness goals. The Vision Pro might not be the ultimate fitness tracker yet, but it offers a glimpse into a future where exercise and entertainment seamlessly blend in the metaverse. Number 10. The Vision Pro. A stepping stone to something bigger? Marques Brownlee concludes his review with a final thought, looking beyond the Vision Pro itself. He sees this headset as a significant stepping stone in the evolution of VR technology. The innovative features, even with their limitations, pave the way for future advancements. Imagine lighter, more comfortable headsets with longer battery life and even more intuitive control methods. Marques Brownlee acknowledges the challenges ahead, but his overall tone is optimistic. The Vision Pro, despite its price tag and shortcomings, pushes the boundaries of what is possible. It's a glimpse into a future where VR becomes more accessible, immersive, and seamlessly integrated into our lives. Whether it is gaming, education, work, or even social interaction, the possibilities are vast and exciting. And the Vision Pro, with all its flaws and triumphs, serves as a testament to the ongoing journey towards that immersive future.